Hi friends, let's learn to design doubly reinforced beam using Eurocode 2 in MathCAD. Today, let us consider reinforced concrete beam has an effective span of 6 meters and carries uniformly distributed permanent load and imposed load of 15 and 12 kN per meter respectively. No moment distribution is considered in this case. Let's consider size of beams as 400 mm depth and 300 mm width. Clear cover is 30 mm and characteristic strength of concrete and steel rebar are 25 MPa and 410 MPa respectively. As a partial safety factor for steel and concrete are 1.15 and 1.5 respectively too. According to given condition, total ultimate factor load will be 38.25 kN per meter. For simply supported beam, maximum design moment will be calculated as 172.125 kN meter. Similarly, design shear force is 114.75 kN. Meantime, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please do so to motivate me to make similar kind of videos. As a value of K exceeds 0.167, compression reinforcement is required. Since d dash upon x value is less than 0.38, compression steel is yielded. Hence, strength of steel of compression zone will be taken as FSC. Area of compression steel will be calculated as 194 mm square. For this, two number of 12 mm dia steel rebar will be enough. Area of tension will be calculated as this empirical formula. 3 numbers of 28 mm rebar will be allowed, which is more than minimum steel area limit and less than maximum limit area. For steel shear design, shear resistance VRDC will be estimated using this empirical formula. As this is less than design shear reinforcement must be provided. For considered value of theta 21.8 degree, maximum limit of design shear resistance of strut can be calculated using empirical formula, which is more than design shear, hence okay. Using again empirical formula, maximum spacing 200 mm for two legged links can be provided. Similarly, for the deflection check, the design's service stress calculated first. For computed values of required tension and compression reinforcement ratios, basic span upon effective depth ratio will be computed, which further multiplied with ratio of 310 MPa and design service stress to find allowable span to effective depth ratio. This is more than actual span effective depth ratio 17.24, hence design is okay for deflection check. In this way, doubly reinforced beam can be designed with Eurocode 2 in MathCAD. If you want MathCAD sheet, please write your email in comment section. Thank you for watching.